everyone, and welcome to Online General Stats. I'm Mrs. Landon and I'm going to be your teacher for this one semester long class. I wanted to email you and get you some information before we officially started the class because you actually do have an assignment on the first day of school. It's very painless and easy, but I wanted to give you a heads up of it ahead of time. You are going to want to come into my classroom. I'm in C205 and pick up your materials for the course. That's actually your first formative assessment. Super easy to get the points. Now, one of the things you're going to realize is I do teach other classes. So let's say you come in and you see another class in there. Don't worry. Come on in. You guys are one of my top priorities because I want to get you started. So feel free to come on in. If you can come in maybe before the beginning of class or towards the end of class, that would be the best, or during passing time. If you feel like you're going to be late to a class, I'm more than happy to write you a pass. But I do look forward to seeing you on Tuesday as we kick off our course of general stats. The other thing I wanted to talk about are communications. So, this is really for everyone, for students and for parents. What I tend to do because it's an online class, it's during 0 hour. So, you don't really see me most of the time. You're going to come and take your summative assessments with me, but your intention is to be doing your coursework during your scheduled study hall or your student prep period. So, keep that in mind. Every time you're in that designated student prep, you really should be making sure you're getting this work done. Now, the communications, what I do is I will do weekly updates on Schoology. So, students, you're the ones that are going to be seeing those. Make sure every Monday you check those weekly updates, you listen to any videos that I have, and you see what the upcoming due dates and deadlines are. It's a very important communication method. I'll also use email at times. If you're struggling in the class or maybe not staying on pace and maybe need a little extra boost, I'll possibly shoot you an email. Maybe I'll even track you down in the building. So keep in mind, it is your responsibility to be checking your email daily. I don't email tons, but I do like that method of communication because it's quick and easy, and this is an online class. The last thing I will do is I tend to do progress reports out of Skyward towards the end of each chapter. And you're going to have 6 different units of learning. And on those, parents, I'm also going to copy you on that. So that's going to be the one communication as a parent you should expect to get. So again, probably about 6 of those for the semester, just keeping you up to date on what's going on. Now, parents, if you are concerned throughout the semester and you have questions for me, or students, if you're working on your material and you have questions for me, you can easily email me. And my third point here is I want to highlight my email because a lot of people at first will email the wrong person. I am Landon N. That N is as in Nicole. When you go onto the email system, it'll typically choose the first Landon. That is Landon D. That's my sister-in-law. She does not check her email. So please, please, please do not email Landon D. It's Landon N. So you're going to see 2 N's at the end of that. So please make sure you use that email, and then I should get the communication and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Also, students, the other thing, just because this is an online class, we're in the same building. If you have questions, absolutely come to my work and, get questions from me in person. I am more than happy to help you. That's what I'm here for, is to kind of help keep you on pace and to help you with any of the learnings. So again, don't forget, Tuesday, you do want to stop in and just get your materials. That's the first formative assessment. That does need to be done by Wednesday at the start of school. So Wednesday at 8:20 a.m. is the deadline on that to get credit for that assignment. And again, super easy. Let's get it done and start off on the right pace. Again, welcome to class, and I look forward to meeting you all soon. Thanks, and bye-bye.